Check out this channel. It launched just a few months ago and already has 123,000 subscribers. Their videos are skyrocketing, like this one with over 5.6 million views. Social Blade estimates they're earning around $40,000 every month. Crazy, right? Here's the best part. This trend is still fresh, so you've got a golden opportunity to jump in, grow fast, and make serious money. Unlike all these gurus, I will show real, step-by-step ways to create your first YouTube business. We'll pick the right music, find visuals, animate them with AI. Plus, I'll reveal a secret AI tool that does lip sync, which is the key to setting you apart from the competition. I'll also show you at the end how to optimize your video for 1 million views. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business. To prove it, I created this video in 25 minutes.
Breathe in the night, feel the energy rising.
Every step is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. Need the tools I used? Grab them for free from my Google Doc on Telegram. Links in the description. Let's go. Let's create your channel. If you've done this before, skip to the prompt creation part using the timestamps in the video description. If not, here's how. Head over to YouTube and click on your profile picture. Select Switch Account and then View All Channels. Click Create New Channel and pick a username. If you don't have a name yet, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate some channel name ideas. Once you've got the perfect name, enter it into YouTube and create your channel. Next, you need to write a description for your channel. You can write it yourself, but why not ask ChatGPT for a little help? Have it craft an engaging description for our channel based on the name. Now, let's dive into adding tags, a crucial step for optimizing your channel's SEO. Tags help YouTube's algorithm understand the content of your videos and connect you with the right audience. For this step, we'll use VidiQ, an excellent tool for keyword research. If you don't have an account yet, check out the link in the description to get started. Go to the keyword research section and search for terms related to your niche, such as Burning Man. Aim for a mix of high and low competition keywords that are relevant to your content, including a variety of tags that directly reflect your channel's focus, will improve its discoverability and increase the chances of your videos appearing in related searches. To create a standout channel, you'll need a logo. Don't stress about making them overly complicated. Something simple and clear will work perfectly. If you're not sure where to start, ask ChatGPT to help generate a prompt for your logo. If you're subscribed to ChatGPT's Plus plan, you can even directly generate a logo there. However, I prefer using Ideogram for logo creation. Copy the prompt you've received from ChatGPT and paste it into Ideogram. Set the aspect ratio to square and hit Generate. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have a range of logos to choose from. Select the one that works best for you and upload it to your channel. Now let's move on to creating the video. The first thing we'll do is create our song. For this, we won't use Suno AI, but rather a secret AI tool I found specifically for you. Its advantage is that it's free, and you can upload music to YouTube without worrying about copyright issues like with Suno AI. But first, let's create the song lyrics. Copy the first prompt from the Google Doc, link in the video description, and paste it into ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate viral song lyrics. Then, follow the link in the Google Doc. Once on the home page, log in with your Google account, and you'll be taken to a simple interface. From there, click on Create. Paste the song style you copied from ChatGPT, then select Custom Mode. In the window that opens, insert your song lyrics and come up with a creative title. Click the blue Create button at the bottom. The tool will generate 2 versions of your song with the same genre and lyrics. Listen carefully to both tracks and choose your favorite. Click the 3 small dots next to the track and select Download Audio. Create a dedicated folder for your project and save your selected track there. Staying organized will make the editing process smoother later on. Open the Google Doc file, start a new chat in ChatGPT. Why a fresh start? Too much input in one chat can increase error rates, so it's better to begin with a clean conversation. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT. It will ask you a series of questions to define the atmosphere and style of your images. Take your time with these questions, as your answers will determine how your images look. Be as detailed as possible. Alternatively, you can copy my pre-written answers from the Google Doc to save time. We'll focus on creating 3 specific types of photos. Environment shots. Establish the overall mood and setting. Full body shots. Add personality and vibrance to the visuals. Action shots. Show dynamic scenes like women behind DJ sets or playing instruments to create energy. Each type of photo serves a unique purpose, and later in the editing process, I'll show you how to use them to build a cohesive video. Now, let's create our images. I'll show you 2 neural networks. The first one is better for environment shots, and the second one excels at full body shots. So, copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and head over to Piclumen AI. Click Launch App. If you're new to the platform, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once inside, click Create. Select your model and choose Flux Schnell for the best results. Don't forget to adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, set the number of images per session and you're good to go. Paste the prompt into the field and hit Submit. Review the result carefully to make sure it matches your vision. Sometimes the AI might produce images with small issues. To keep our images consistent, download the best image and paste it into the image reference field. Then, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt field. Piclumen AI will generate another image that matches the first one perfectly. Repeat these steps to generate all your images, download them, and watch your viral masterpiece come to life with seamless consistency. One issue I've noticed is that Piclumen AI sometimes generates images of women who are topless, which is something we absolutely want to avoid. We're creating an authentic video, and nudity doesn't fit with that vision. Additionally, it violates YouTube's community guidelines, which could result in platform issues. To fix this, simply add the following parameter to your prompt: no naked boobs. Be sure to include this parameter in every prompt to minimize the issue. Next, I want to introduce you to another powerful AI tool, CG Dreams. It's a great alternative to Piclumen AI and Leonardo AI. You'll find the link to CG Dreams in the Google Doc I prepared for you. Here's what you need to do once you're on the page. Paste your prompt into the lower input field. In the settings menu at the top right, adjust the following options. Set the size to the recommended 16:9 aspect ratio. Choose how many images you need. Click Filters at the bottom left to fine-tune your image settings. Now comes the fun part: selecting the filters. For this project, I used filters such as Woman Fantasy and Woman Realistic. If you have an example image, you can set it as your style. Once everything is set up, click the Generate button at the bottom right. CG Dreams often focuses more on the body, resulting in curvier visuals that naturally capture the viewer's attention. Review the generated images and choose your favorite. Once satisfied, click the image and hit the Download button in the top right corner to save it. Repeat this process until you've generated around 30 to 45 images. Now, let's improve the quality of our photos. Visit CapCut by following the link in the Google Doc. Once you're on the website, go to Magic Tools, scroll down, and find Image Upscaler. Upload your image, and once it's uploaded, select the resolution to 4K and let CapCut work its magic. After it's done, click Export. Repeat this process for all your photos to ensure they look polished and high quality. Once all the images are ready, organize them by putting them in the designated project folder and numbering them to make access easier during the editing process. Now let's move on to animating the images. You can use any AI tool, but I'll show you how to do it using Runway. First, we need to create an animation prompt. Go to the Google Doc and copy the third prompt. If you don't have ChatGPT Pro, I've found a free alternative for you. Poe. Head to Poe, select ChatGPT, and upload your first image. Then, paste the prompt you just copied. This will generate an animation prompt for the image. Now go to Runway, sign up or log in and click Generate Video. Upload the image you created and paste the prompt. Check the video resolution and select the duration. Then click Generate. Once the animation is ready, carefully review the results. Runway provides excellent quality, but sometimes minor tweaks might be necessary. Repeat this process for each image to maintain consistency and creativity. When all animations are complete, download the individual video clips. Keep in mind that these clips will have a watermark, but don't worry, we'll handle this during the editing stage, so it won't affect your final product. Next, let's improve the quality of the videos. Go back to CapCut. Then go to Magic Tool, scroll down, and find Video Upscaler. Upload your video, and once it's uploaded, simply click Upscale and let CapCut work its magic. After it's done, click Export and then Download to save the enhanced version. Repeat this process for all your videos to ensure they look polished and high quality. Save all your animations in a folder, numbering them for better organization. Let's dive into the next step, synchronizing lip movements with music for a professional touch that makes your video stand out. To get started, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the music file by dragging it onto the timeline. Listen to the section you want to synchronize and trim the audio accordingly, removing unnecessary parts. Click Export at the top. Give the file a descriptive name based on the lyrics and select MP3 format. Uncheck Video, then export and save it. Next, go to the Kling AI page and navigate to the AI Videos section. Now switch to Lip Sync. Insert your video and upload the MP3 file by selecting Upload Local Dubbing. Confirm your selection, then hit Lip Sync. Let Kling AI do its magic and watch the synchronization come to life. Once the synchronization is complete, download the animation and save it in your designated folder. Be sure to label it properly for easy organization. Repeat this process for each part of the song requiring lip syncing. Once you've synchronized the lip movements with the music, we're ready for the final stage, assembling the complete video in CapCut. First, open a new project in CapCut. Once CapCut is open, go to the right and click on Modify. Here, name your project and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Set the frame rate to 60 FPS and click Save. After adjusting the settings, drag the music file into CapCut and click the blue plus button to add the file to the timeline. Next, go to the top right under Basic and click Enhance Voice. Set the intensity to 100 so only the vocals of the track are heard. This makes it much easier to match the animations with the lip syncing to the song. The first few seconds of a YouTube video are critical to capturing the viewer's attention, so I recommend starting directly with the lyrics of the song. So let's cut out the beginning without words. To do this, find where the lyrics start and click Delete on the left. Then, move the audio to the beginning of the timeline. Listen to the first part of the song and find a matching animation from the folder we created. Insert the animation into CapCut and place it in the second timeline. Position the animation so it matches the song perfectly. Listen carefully to the result to ensure the lips align with the song. Alternatively, you can use your ear to fine-tune the alignment. Once the embedded voice in the animation matches the song perfectly and there are no echoes, the result should be good. Repeat this process for all animations with lip syncing. Now let's fill in the gaps. Choose general scenes or those without lip animation from the folder. Insert them into these gaps in the same way. Trim them to give the video more dynamism. You can also increase their speed by clicking on them and going to the Speed tab in the top right corner. Repeat this step until all gaps are filled. Let's add a professional touch with transitions. To do this, go to Transitions in the top right corner. For this type of video, I recommend choosing transitions from the overlay section. For example, I'll go with Mix. Now, insert it between the Women in Outfits and Environment Shots clips. Reduce its duration in the top right corner to 0.3 seconds. Repeat these steps between Women in Outfits and Environment Shots clips. Experiment with other transitions from this section, such as Them and Now and Dissolve. Now, select all clips. Left-click and choose Create Compound Clip. This combines everything into a single clip. Now, remove the embedded voices from the animations. By selecting the animation, go to the Audio section and set the volume to 0. As promised, we'll remove the watermark and add some originality to our video. Go to the top right and click on Text. Add default text to the timeline. Enter your channel name and choose the text color. Then, scroll down and click on Background and select the background color. Now, move your channel name to the watermark position. You can also add your channel name in the first 3-5 seconds of your video. You can also experiment with effects. CapCut offers many interesting and free options. Go to the Effects tab and, for example, choose the television off effect. Add it at the end of our clip. This adds a unique and professional touch. Now, let's make everything even more polished and professional. Choose a filter that fits the mood of your video. For example, drag it onto the timeline and stretch it to cover the entire video. Once added, adjust the filter's intensity. I recommend 50 to 60% to make it even more engaging. Finally, export your video. If you guys are interested in watching the final video, I will drop it in my Telegram. The link is down below. Now, last but not least, we need to upload the video, configure SEO, and create a thumbnail. First, go to your channel and hit the upload button. Then, select your video. While it's uploading, we can create the thumbnail. After analyzing dozens of similar videos, I found that thumbnails like this work best. So, let's create a similar one. Go to Canva to edit the thumbnail. Type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar and create the design project. It will automatically give you the right dimensions. Now, import the image from your video that you like the most. Select the image and click Remove Background. Add another identical image. Click on it, go to Position, then Layers, and swap their positions. Now, add a text box and type your video title or channel name. Adjust the size and pick the color. I recommend matching the glow's color for a cohesive look. Place the title between the two images so it's behind the girl, but not behind the background. Once that's done, download the thumbnail and upload it to YouTube Studio. Go to VidEQ, my favorite tool for SEO and research. I'll link it in the description. Click on AI Coach, then ask it to generate a list of trending keywords related to Burning Man videos on YouTube. Copy the list and paste it into the tags section of your video. This will help YouTube show it to the right audience. While you're at it, let's tweak the title and video description. Find the most popular video on this topic and copy its title. This will serve as our reference. Now, go to AI Coach, paste the competitor's title and type, generate 10 title variations based on this, using as many keywords as possible. Once you get the list, don't rush to pick one. The key to a great title is sparking curiosity. What will make viewers want to click? Choose the one that creates intrigue and raises a question in their mind. This is crucial for viral videos. Now, let's generate the video description. Simply ask AI Coach. Write a description based on the title, using as many trending keywords as possible in the first 200 characters. Once everything is ready, copy and paste it all into YouTube Studio. Now, hit publish, and your first video is live. This is my biggest video yet, so if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and leave a like. Also, check out the videos on your screen now to dive deeper into YouTube automation and take your channel to the next level.